Hi everyone, how are you? So I am doing homemade tacos today. And so it's just taco meat and beans and cheese, and then I've got some tomatoes and avocados, and of course the Taco Bell sauce, which again, I do not have any Diablo sauce. Someday the universe is going to make sure I have way too much Diablo sauce. So we're settling for fire and hot today, which is whatever. Anyway, so, and then a cold glass of milk. And a couple of things before I get too far into this, because you know how I get. I tried new lighting. Let me know if you like it, if you hate it. I've got some overhead light bulbs that are out, which I will fix before next video. Which apparently will be the first time they've been fixed in 5 years. So we're gonna go with that. And so let me know. Let me know if this lighting works, if it looks funky, if it needs to be brighter, if I look weird, if I have, I don't know, whatever. Just tell me. Also, I like to give you all a heads up that I currently am surrounded by a herd of small dogs. We're dog sitting, and so there is quite a few of them. So as some crazy yelping and barking goes on, we'll just bear with it. Anyway, so yeah, I have not had a lot of sleep because I work too much. So here we go. Taco. Who doesn't love homemade tacos? Like, I feel brave enough to say that if you don't love a homemade taco, you're wrong. Fire. The best part is I'm an avocado human. I love avocados. They're the best. Avocados, fruits or vegetables? This would be a fruit because it has a seed, right? Isn't that how that works? It's a fruit. It has a seed. So it's the best fruit. But you wouldn't put in a fruit salad in the whole world. Followed closely by tomatoes, but only if there's beans and sour cream with the tomatoes. That's the only way they come close to chocolate or avocados. Just saying. Muy bien. So, I've been cleaning up Christmas, as you can see behind me. And I have to say that is the worst part of Christmas, is putting it away. And I think it's like the knowing I have to do it all again next year. It's that terrible foreboding. I lost my napkin. I told you guys, I'm having the worst time right now. Yesterday I got to work at 7:30 in the morning. Thank you. Yesterday I got to work at 7:30 in the morning, and I did not get home from work until 9 o'clock. Between all the extra stuff I have to do, because someone had to leave. It was Raven. I'm so tired right now. Whatever. Tacos fix everything. So tired. And then like all the normal stuff, like I said, Christmas cleanup and I ruined this nice placement, I know it. Christmas cleanup and then like normal like laundry. Do you have any idea how tedious laundry is after working a 12-and-a-half-hour day? Like I don't want to do it. I do the guy thing. I smell my pants, make sure they don't smell right. I just wear them again. Whatever. They're black dress pants. Everyone has like 5 pairs of those except for me, so it's fine. Whatever. Judge me. I don't care. I'm tired. I've been working this way for about a month now. So the hospital that I work at has a gift shop, as do most hospitals. And Raven, who you've all met, used to be in charge of it, and she found a better job, and so she moved on with life. And my supervisor has never done anything retail at all. And so it started to flounder, and it was closed for like 3.5 weeks. It was just closed. And we have a lot of nurses and things in the hospital that love to shop in the gift shop because there's always like the cutesy little, I don't know, we do like lots of candy and lotions and stuff apparently they carry around, which is fine. So they started to get really mad. And the gift shop was closed. And I have a friend that's a house supervisor for, I think that's what she is. She's some sort of supervisor for the hospital. But she made her way into my office just to complain to me, who by the way has nothing to do with the gift shop, or didn't, that the gift shop wasn't open. So I made the comment that, hey, it's Christmas time. We probably should have a gift shop open. And then school got out, and I suddenly became responsible for the gift shop. You have time. It's fine. On top of all your grant reporting and all your paperwork and all the stuff you have to do yourself just to make sure you have a job, we're going to go ahead and hand you the gift shop. And the dental van. The dental van is a free service that comes to the hospital. And low-income people without dental insurance basically can get free dental care. It's pretty awesome. And I know I was taking it over anyway just because I'm the oral health coordinator. But like to get handed that and then the gift shop, like my stuff is not getting done. Like I said, I worked a 12-hour day-ish yesterday, and I demanded to go home today at 4:45, which was still 15 minutes later than I was supposed to go home today. Anyway, sorry. My rant is showing. Anyway, long story short, I'm tired. Being a grown-up is shitty. I don't know who thought this idea up. Super over it. These tacos are amazing, by the way. Anyway, on a happier subject, how was your guys' New Year's and Christmas? I don't think I asked that yet. Anyway, mine was lame. I fell asleep about 10 minutes after midnight. And that was to be the only person up that long in my house anyway. My brother was out at like 10. I don't know. So mine was uneventful. Which is not normal for us. Normally we're at the bar until god-awful hours in the morning. But again, Too much work. Oh. Anyway, I did have the Monday off though. That was nice. I was all by myself in my house. It was fantastic. I did nothing. Like, legitimately nothing. I think I got up at noon. And I wasn't even drinking. I just got up at noon. It was long enough to let my dogs out. And I went from my bed to the couch where I stayed until 4. And then I thought, oh shit, I should do some dishes. So then I got up from the couch, went into the kitchen, turned on the dishwasher, and then went back to the couch. Best day ever. Someday I want to be so rich that could be my life if I wanted to be. I'm sure I get bored, but... Well, then I'd have a ton of money, so it wouldn't matter, right? Right? I'm talkative today, sorry. This hot sauce, it's the hot, literally. So tomatoey. It's not hot at all. It says do it with passion or not at all. See? Spilling stuff all over this white. I'll fall asleep in my tacos. The weird dog noises that go on. I'm a big dog person, and big dogs make bigger noises, so they're not so weird. Is that weird? Is it weird that big dog noises are weirder than little dog noises? I like all dogs. Definitely a dog human. Love all dogs. Dude, this hot sauce is killing me. It's no bueno. I have started, which I used all of, but I have started carrying Diablo sauce in my car for sudden occasions of tacos. Which, believe it or not, happens to me more than you would think. Where suddenly I'm eating tacos. And it's all places. Like I came home tonight and got handed tacos. I don't like hard shells though. Are you a soft shell or a hard shell person? Human, as I like to say. I don't like the hard shells. I feel like they stab me in the mouth. But I do like a crispy soft shell. It's actually the first time I've had a crispy soft shell. It reminds me of, almost of, a Taco Bell Double Decker. Which, by the way, is why we're doing tacos again, apparently. My Taco Bell fail with all the onions. Jeez. How many Benadryl I had to take? It was bad. Oh, Cora likes me, by the way. She was sitting in my lap before this started. Of course, as soon as the camera turns on and I can prove it, she runs off, but she was sitting in my lap. I really just think she likes my tacos. Sorry. I am not grown up today. I apologize for that. I might use tacos. I warned you. I warned you I was weird. Sorry. It's not appropriate. And now it's on the internet. There's a Dutch hound. Is that how you say that? A Dutch hound, a wiener dog running around. Part of the herd. And she's very sweet. She's very sweet. And she wanted my attention. And I was sitting waiting for my tacos to be done cooking, and she jumped into my lap. Never mind, I'm gonna stop. Another thing that's not super appropriate. Basically, there was a wiener in my lap. So I wasn't gonna say it, and then I decided, whatever, we started with the taco thing, it's not gonna be that weird, so I went for it. I hope that's okay. Avocado, man, I love avocado. These are just shell pizzas. I'm not gonna eat those. Tacos. Well, thank you for having dinner with me, even though I'm a little weird right now. It's cool. Whatevs. I hope you had a good New Year's. If you did anything exciting or anything worth sharing, please feel free to leave it below. Don't forget to subscribe, because I think I'm awesome, and you should too. I feel like that's how that works. It's probably not, but whatever. At least hit like, because you ate tacos with me, and the tacos were delicious. And I'm going to keep rambling, so I'm going to stop now. Thank you for watching.